Stacey, let's talk a little bit about just what the expectations are for a couple of big Dow-type components in Home Depot and Walmart.
Yeah, Dom, it's a big day after a holiday weekend here. And if you think about Walmart, what's been happening is, as you said, they've been growing through inflation. And while inflation has been more stubborn to come down than we would all like, um, you know, food prices are up 20% in the past 2 years. Walmart's business, we're looking at a 2 year comp of 13% that we're going against right now. Think about that, a $600 billion company growing 13% over 2 years and probably another 5% this quarter. So, they're coming off of these huge numbers. And as inflation comes down, of course, it's slightly harder to comp, to grow here. But I think Walmart's a rare case where you've seen not only share gains, but also benefits from inflation, particularly from the higher end consumer, that they're just gaining, a ton of share, particularly in grocery. I think the good news could be we've certainly heard some green shoots from the general merchandise or more discretionary side so far this quarter. So that comes with a higher margin if that mix continues to change here. So I think that could be some of the good news here to offset the lower inflation.
Now, the inflation side of things is very evident on the Walmart trade. With Home Depot, how much of this is going to be tied towards the prospects for the housing economy and interest rates going forward, given that renovation trade and everything else going on with real estate?
Well, that's what Home Depot is clearly about. And we saw the housing start numbers, which were terrible, down 15% month over month. And I think what you're seeing is, as we all stayed home and upgraded and spent all this money, now you're seeing the shift to lower ticket projects. Those high ticket projects have come way down, and that's really tough to comp against. Also Home Depot traffic is down a little bit, so I think it's well in the stock that we'll see a negative comp this quarter. But obviously, Home Depot continues to gain share. They're the best in the business, and if you look to the other side of when rates come down, this is a staple in your portfolio. I think some of the housing plays, in terms of Williams-Sonoma and others, they're holding the line on promotions. They are not promoting. Their operating margins are intact and growing, yet their revenues are way down. But these stocks are soaring. They're still getting credit as long as they hold the pricing line. And I think Home Depot will fall in the same bucket.
All right, Stacey, Walmart and Home Depot are going to kick off this retail earnings season. A lot of other companies are out there in focus as well. You've just done a bunch of channel checks. Can you take us through what you're seeing early on, where you think some of the positivity will be for the rest of earnings season, given what you can glean about Q4?
Sure. So President's Day weekend behind us. Hopefully you were out there trying to find deals, because the deals were not that great this year. The majority of companies out there, the majority of brands, had flat to lower promotions over the weekend. Traffic was still decent. I think, again, you're still seeing a bit of that discretionary come back a little bit. Some of the names that we saw with lower promotions were Adidas, American Eagle. Aerie was flattish. You saw a bit in the footwear sector that was slightly more promotional, particularly in footwear. There were some spots, but again, that's well advertised here. And of course, Ulta and TJX are absolutely continue to win share. And as great as these stocks have been, traffic is still growing. And I think the quarters will reflect a bit of upside there.